got to the airport. Oh, this is, what are those?
For a combo bit.
He already sees it. Just use the golf store. They have a Mac. That's new. So cool.
Do we need that?
I don't know. Yeah, keep it. At the San Diego airport. Wow. Oh, you're fine. Let me see. Show me the detail. Cute.
Wanna go eat real quick?
Yeah. It's so weird. I actually like vlogging on my phone. Oh, it came with this queso cheese, spicy and regular. Mexican steak bowl. Red rice. Water. Just landed in Newark, New Jersey. What time is it, baby? 5. It's 5 a.m., which is 2 a.m. Cali time. So we're so tired. But we're gonna meet up with my cousin who drove from Pennsylvania to come see us for our layover. It's like 2 hours. And then we have a 2-hour flight to North Carolina, Raleigh. So yeah, I'll vlog when I get with my 2 cousins. And he's gonna meet one of them for the first time. All close up and personal.
What's the difference between
I've never been to a restaurant like this. We're at Poppy's Bagels.
Oh, that's it. Oh, that just adds it?
Yeah. Oh, look at this one.
Oh, it's like real coffee. They got creamer?
How is the cream cheese more than the bagel?
Hey, it's that cream cheese. I love cream cheese. You guys are on my vlog.
No. This is what I'm talking about. Slow juice. See, I'm not
We
like
got the Star Bay.
Starbucks.
Show her the Star Bay. The Starbucks is Bay.
Did you see that though? That was a boomerang.
Man, this is good lighting though. For
These
real.
light bulbs. Look how cute they are. No, these ones.
These yellow ones.
Yeah.
They got
They're
the.
really rustic. Oh my gosh, my fans are
These
gonna
are my
see them.
cousins.
I don't want them to
I'm Scorty.
see. Look. Our fan is coming.